exactly what happens. Our consciousness is filled with information, details, principles, conflicts, controversies, confusions, anxieties, stress, depression, frustration, irritation, provocation, and sometimes all of that put together. It's all going on. And what do we do? Well, the way to take that out is to put an inflow, excess flow of positivity. And there's nothing more positive than transcendental subject matter. So just like the dirty water in a glass gets replaced by the rainwater, pure rainwater, Hari Katha, repeatedly heard, enters, and there's no space for anything else later. But it takes some time. It takes some time. Can't just hear it for a few days and then, okay. You have to run it down the tap for some time. You see, sometimes you switch off the switch for the fan, but the fan still keeps moving for some time. Well, you switched it off, but because it's been on for quite some time, it moves. But then, we have to have patience, it'll stop. Similarly, when you uproot a tree, you've uprooted it, but the leaves are still green. It takes a few days, a few weeks for the leaves to go dry. Similarly, once you start hearing about Krishna, you've uprooted the tree of repeated birth and death. You have switched off the switch of sins. But still, because of our past, the leaves will be green. There will be some lust, there will be some anger, there will be some greed, there will be some envy. It will be seen. The fan blades will move for some time, but we need to have patience. And we need to tolerate each other.